is the city I live in, and yep, that's me. I have a habit of accidentally messing things up. Not on purpose, it just happens.
This animation, I made it with just a super simple prompt. And this is that Seedance 2 magic you've been seeing everywhere lately, all over social media, blowing up like crazy. But today, I'm gonna show you how to actually use it the right way, how to create clean, high quality animations in different styles and really see what it's capable of. Things like writing a solid prompt and script, building proper character and location references, and keeping everything consistent. That's what really makes the difference. And that's exactly what I'll be focusing on today. This approach also helps you save money and get results faster. So let's get into it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, for this animation, I'm using Seedance 2 through the Higgsfield platform, which you're already familiar with. Honestly, I think it's one of the best options out there right now for creating films and animations in pretty much any style, definitely worth trying. And yeah, Seedance 2 has taken a huge leap compared to version 1.5. It's way more powerful now. Also, using Seedance 2 inside Higgsfield is much more cost-effective compared to other platforms. You can even use Seedance 2 Fast here, which is cheaper and faster too. But if you want the best results in the shortest time with reasonable cost, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. First, you need to know if Seedance 2 is actually a good fit for your idea and script. You should write your script in a way that works with the model, not against it. For example, since videos here are limited to around 15 seconds, if your project is longer, you've got two options. Either turn your shots into a storyboard and use image to video, or create each scene separately using the multi-shot feature. In this case, I'm going to use a combination of both. To start, you need to create your characters first, and for good consistency, it's best to provide at least 3 images for each character. First, a simple image of the character in a pose, placed in an environment similar to your animation. Then, create a full-body turnaround sheet from 4 angles. You can generate this right inside Higgsfield using tools like Nano Banana Pro. I'll also drop all the prompts in the description so you can use them. And finally, it's better to have an expression sheet for your characters as well. With these references, you can make sure your characters stay fully consistent throughout the entire animation. No weird shifts or drifting. For better accuracy, I also created a full city reference image for the location, along with a winged version of the female character. Of course, you can also just include the story directly in the prompt and let Seedance 2 handle the design itself. Now let's see how it builds the main part of the story. You simply import your images here, then paste your main script prompt along with camera movements and timing. Set the duration to 15 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9, and you're good to go. This animation turned out super clean in my opinion, exactly how I wanted it, and just like I described in the prompt. In terms of consistency, it's honestly really impressive. It can even generate music, sound effects, and dialogue quite easily. Now here's something important. You can also add shots at the beginning, middle, or end of the animation. For example, I want to add an opening wide shot of the city showing a normal day at the start. For this, we take the first frame of our animation and set it as the last frame in Seedance 2. Then we set a wide establishing shot of the city as the first frame. Add a fairly simple prompt, and that's it. This shot can easily work as the opening of the animation. Now, if I want to make the ending feel better and add a bit of humor, I can also insert 2 more shots the same way. I already created those images using Nano Banana Pro, and I'll animate them with Seedance 2. And keep in mind, you can also mention sound effects, dialogue, or music directly in the prompt, or even give it audio or video references. It can take almost any type of reference and analyze it properly. To finalize the project, you can easily use the built-in Voiceover tool inside the Higgsfield platform to generate narration. This feature supports multiple powerful voice generators, and it also gives you a variety of voice styles to choose from.
I am Toulouse.
I am Roman.
I'm Mabel.
I am Sterling.
Now just assemble all your assets together in the video editor, place everything on the timeline, and let's check out the final result together.
This is the city I live in, and yeah, that's me. I have a habit of accidentally messing things up. Not on purpose, it just happens. Most of the time it's fun. Like, really fun, but sometimes low battery. Well, let's just say things don't exactly go as planned, but hey, it still works out, somehow.
But we're not done yet. I want to try something even cooler. Let's create the next scene of this animation, this time inside an interrogation room with full lip sync. First, I jump into the image generator and create a master shot for this scene using Nano Banana Pro. All I need to do is give it the character references and write a simple prompt, and it gives me exactly what I want. Then I head back into Seedance 2. This time I provide the character references, the master prompt, and also a sample voice for the girl. Now pay attention here. Inside the prompt, you need to clearly mention both the dialogue and how the voice sample should be used. I told it to use the voice only as a reference and recreate it with new dialogue. It took around 5 minutes to generate the animation. Fast and with minimal issues. Now, let's watch the final result together.
This is the city I live in, and yeah, that's me. I have a habit of accidentally messing things up. Not on purpose, it just happens. Most of the time it's fun. Like, really fun, but sometimes low battery. Well, let's just say things don't exactly go as planned, but hey, it still works out, somehow.
Why can't you behave, huh? How long are you gonna keep messing with people and wrecking the city?
I didn't do anything.
Then who burned Uncle Jackie's mustache, huh?
As you can see, with Seedance 2, creating animations becomes incredibly simple. Just a few clicks and you're there. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time, stay creative.